Hello, everybody. Wish you are fine. Eventually, you have learned the present continuous tense. Today, I'm going to teach you some spelling rules related to the present continuous tense so you may avoid spelling mistakes in the future. But before I start teaching you some spelling rules, let's remember together the positive form and the negative form of the present continuous tense. As you know, positive form begins with a subject plus a form of the verb to be, am, is, or are, plus the main verb, plus the suffix ing. I am cooking, you are cooking, he is cooking, she is cooking, it is cooking, we are cooking, they are cooking. The negative form begins with a subject plus a form of the verb to be, am, is, or are, plus the negative word not, plus main verb, plus the suffix ing. I am not cooking, you are not cooking, he is not cooking, she is not cooking, it is not cooking, we are not cooking, they are not cooking. What do you think? Am I cooking now? Are you cooking now? Is your mother cooking now? Please try to answer these questions. Spelling rules. Rule 1. Verbs that end in E, like the verbs make, write, etc. What should you do before adding the ing? We drop the E and then we add the suffix ing. Make, making. Write, writing. So, verbs that end in E, what you do? We drop the E before adding ing. Rule 2. Sometimes a word ends in a vowel plus a consonant. For example, get, run, swim, etc. The verb get ends in the vowel E and the consonant T. So before adding the ing, the last consonant in the word get, which is T, should be doubled. Get, getting. Run, running. Swim, swimming. We doubled the last letter. Why? Because these words end in a vowel plus a consonant. Do not spelling rules. Rule 1. Do not double the letter if the word ends in two consonants, like the verb help. The verb help ends in two consonants, consonant L, consonant P. So we just add ing. Help, helping. Talk ends in two consonants, so we just add ing. Work, working. We just add ing because the verb work ends in two consonants. Rule 2. Do not double the letter if the word ends in two vowels plus a consonant, like the verb look. It ends in two vowels and a consonant. Look, looking. The verb read ends in two vowels, vowel E, vowel A, and a consonant D. So we just add ing. Read, reading. Speak, speaking. Rule 3. Do not double the letter if the word ends in Y, W, or X, like the following examples. The verb buy ends in Y, so we do not double the letter or the last letter. Buy, buying. We just add the ing. Snow ends in W, so we just add ing. It's not necessary to double the last letter, which is W. Relax ends in X, so should we double the last letter X? No, we shouldn't double the last letter X. Okay, we just add ing. Relax, relaxing. So don't forget, please, do not double the letter if the word ends in Y, W, or X. Do not double the letter if the words end in two vowels plus a consonant, like look. Do not double the letter if the word ends in two consonants, like help. Do not spelling rules. Do not double the letter if the word has two or more syllables and the last part is not stressed. Like the word visit, the first part is stressed. So it's not necessary to double the last letter, which is T. Visit, visiting. But the word begin, the last part is stressed, gin. So it is necessary to double the last letter. As you see, begin, beginning. We double the last letter N. So don't forget, do not double the letter if the word has two or more syllables and the last part is not stressed. We only double the last letter if the word has two or more syllables and the last part only is stressed, like the word begin. Now it's time to practice. The word making. Right spelling or wrong spelling? The word refusing. Right spelling or wrong spelling? The word liking. Right spelling or wrong spelling? The word stopping. Right spelling or wrong spelling? The last word boxing. Right spelling or wrong spelling? Please choose the correct answer. Another thing, I want you to bring your grammar notebook and write these 5 words correctly. The monsters challenge you to a present continuous spelling contest. I want you to bring your grammar notebook and write the following 41 words correctly. Refer back to the rules presented on the previous slides to avoid spelling mistakes now and in the future. Stay home to be safe. Thank you very much for listening to me.